Welcome to Kidsu, Learning and Educational Channel.
Today, we are going to learn shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! Circle. A circle is round and has no corners. We can see circles and balls, the sun and clocks. Square. A square has 4 equal sides. Windows, tiles, and boxes are squares. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Pizza slices and mountains look like triangles. Rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Phones, books, and doors are rectangles. Oval. It looks like a stretched circle. Eggs and balloons are ovals. Star. A star has 5 points. We see stars in the sky at night. Heart. A heart represents love. We see hearts in drawings and cards. Diamond. It looks like a tilted square. Kites are often shaped like diamonds. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Bees make hexagon honeycombs. Great job, kids! You learned shapes today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kidsu for more learning videos.